Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I believe everybody's fine.
Good afternoon.
We are here back again for for our lesson again, and we really want to see how the power plant works today. So today we are dealing with a power plant, and before that, I want us to call the register so that you can see who is in and who is not in. Do we have Emmanuel Pepela? Rehema Amoit?
Present.
Sato Chepkosgei? Do you have Dan Baraza?
Present.
Then we have got Daniel Wanjala. So let's go on. As others will continue coming in. So I want us to define the term power plant engineering as our introduction this evening. And before that, we have got the objectives that will guide us in this lesson. By the end of this lesson, I expect us to be able to define the term power plant engineering, state the components of a power plant engineering, then state the types of power plant engineering system, state the application of power plant engineering system. And then definition, as you can see it on your screen, it is a power plant. A power plant power plant engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with the design, operation, and maintenance of management of the power plant. Power plant are industrial facilities that generate electricity on large scale using various sources of energy such as fossil fuel, coal, oil, and gases. Nuclear energy. We have got hydroelectric power. We have got the solar power, wind power, and then the geothermal energy. So in general, we can say that power plant is of different parts that can use produce electricity. And then after that, we can see components of a power plant engineering. Then some of the components we have got the boiler as the main one. Then we have got the condensers. Then we have got the boiler as the main one, which is responsible for converting water into steam. Then we have got the turbine. The turbine is a mechanical device that converts the kinetic energy into a steam fluid high pressure. Then we have got the condenser in power plant. Or the condenser is actually responsible for converting water into steam or cooling the water. And then we have got the hydroelectric power plant. As you can see from verse number, that is slide number 5. Then we have got the thermal power plant on slide number 6. This power plant generates electricity by converting heat energy into electrical energy. They typically use fossil fuel, oil, and natural heat, like water, and produces steam. Then we have got a gas turbine plant, also known as consumption turbine plant. This power plant use gas turbines to generate electricity. So as use fuel and water, this one now we use gas to generate electricity. Then we have got a combined power plant system. This one is a power plant that with the principle of both thermal and gas turbine power plants. They use a gas turbine to generate electricity and recover waste heat from the exhaust. Then we can move to slide number 7. It talks about the hydroelectric power plants, as you can see as on your notes. Then we have got the solar power plants, and then we have got the thermal power plant. As you can see it on your screen on the slides. So application of power plants as the next subtopic, the application of power plant. I want one of us to tell us where this application take place. Emmanuel Pepela, can you please tell us where the application of power plant, or how can we apply it?
Okay, you can apply it through demo power plant, where the demo power plant generates electricity by use of coal, oil, natural gases, or from nuclear reaction. We have renewable energy power plant. We have combined cycle power plant.
Thank you. Rehema Amoit, can you tell us another application? Rehema Amoit, can you can tell us another application number 2? Okay, I can talk about that. It's forgotten a little bit. We have got power plant also encompasses the design and the implementation of renewable energy power plants. This includes solar power plants, wind farms, hydroelectric plants, geothermal plants, and biomass power plants. Then number 3, we have got the combined cycle power plants. Then on our slide number 9, I think everybody's there. On our slide number 9, we can talk about another application. It's called the congregational plant. And then we come to the end of our topic. So having done that, all that, and also learning about that, I want please remind us what you learned about. Yes.
I've learned about the application of power plant.
Good. Can you clap for him? Then anybody else to give us another thing that you have learned about this particular evening? Yes, Emmanuel, I can see your hand lifted up.
We have the renewable sources of energy, demo power plant.
Yes. Good. Thank you for that. Now, having discussed on that components of power plant, and one of them being a boiler, in groups of 5, I want us an assignment explain boiler, of which I'll take in the next one. Have a good evening.
Okay, sir.
Any question?
No, I have a comment.
Yes.
The lesson was well taught.
Yes.
We have gotten it. So we thank you.
Welcome so much. Thank you. We shall meet in the next lesson. Thank you, sir.